Hi everyone, my name is Priya and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to build a successful career in agriculture field. Whether you are a student or a person who wanna crack your dream job in agriculture field, this channel is for you. Isn't about just growing crops. It's about solving real life world problems like feeding the growing population and creating sustainable agriculture for the future population. So today I will share two more important things. Why agriculture is a promising career and how can you crack any job in the agriculture field with the right strategy. Let's start with why agriculture field. The agriculture sector offers endless opportunities in fields like agribusiness and marketing, research and development, agri-tech and precision farming, and government jobs like agriculture extension officers, and endless opportunities on the global world. It's not just about working in rural areas. Agriculture is about global industry for working in cutting edge technology, labs to managing international agribusiness and possibilities are limitless. Now let's talk about how to crack any agriculture related job. Here are my top 5 tricks. First is understand the basics. Like build a strong foundations in subjects like agronomy, soil science, crop management, whether you are pursuing degree or diploma. Know your core concept is the key, especially in agronomy, like growing the crops, what are the varieties, in which region, which kind of variety is suitable, and knowing their crop practices, especially package of practices, is the key. Because sometimes in agriculture field, when you look for some kind of job, if you can't know the crop, what is its main stage is like vegetative stage, is flowering stage, and at what particular time you will apply any nutrient, any pesticide. So that is what in every job, in interview, the interviewer asks. Key thing is the stay updated with the trends. Follow the latest development in the agriculture like drone technology, nano fertilizers, climate resilient crops. Employers love those kind of candidates who know current scenario of the agriculture, what are the technologies and how new trends are in agriculture, and how farmers are using those technologies, and how can you help the organization to achieve or to meet those standards in which currently the agriculture is going. Tip is the gain practical experience. Do internship, farm visits, or work on the small farming projects. Look for some what we can say progressive farmers in your area. Ask them to teach you about and share your practical experience with them and learn from him. So it would be more working with the real life problems what farmers are doing rather than what we are studying in the books. So practical experience is very important. Always be prepared for the any exam and interviews, like whether you are preparing for any government job or whether you are preparing for any private job, give your 100%. Always study or read the handbook of Nemraj Sunda. Apart from that, by clearing your basic concepts, it is very helpful for you to into the interview. Apart from this, fifth more important tip is build your network. Building a network in any field would be a boon for you, whether you have that connections or you're not. Build your own genuine connections. They will gonna definitely gonna help you for that. Like use the social platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is currently growing more among the job seekers and the professional, as in professional platform for the job seekers and what we can say company CEO. You can directly connect with them on this platform and build a strong network. Regularly post whatever you are doing on this platform, and this will help you out. Remember, no matter where you start, consistency and curiosity will take you far. Agriculture is not just a career, it's a chance to make a real impact, and I'm here to guide you every step away. So stay tuned with my channel and do let me in comments on which topic you want our next video.